Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mountain bike tires that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a durable, high-performance tire to enhance your cycling experience, this video is for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Hapleby mountain bike tires 26 by 1.95 inch 2-pack. This set includes 2 rugged tires made from Thai natural rubber, offering excellent durability and traction for off-road adventures. The tires are reinforced with a puncture-resistant layer to handle sharp debris, making them ideal for trails and rough terrain. You also get 2 butyl rubber inner tubes and tire levers, which are perfect for quick repairs and maintenance. The design is focused on all-terrain performance with a knobby tread pattern that provides excellent grip on dirt, gravel, and rocky surfaces. The included butyl tubes help absorb shocks and vibrations, enhancing comfort during longer rides. However, the tires are slightly heavier compared to others in this list, which might not be ideal for riders looking for lightweight options. While the Hapleby tires deliver solid performance, their durability and included accessories make them a great value for casual riders and commuters. The downside is their limited availability and lack of a listed price, making it harder to assess their cost-effectiveness against competitors. Overall, these are a solid pick for riders who prioritize convenience and durability. At number 4, we have the Hapleby 2PCS Premium Folding Bike Tires. These tires are designed for versatility, with a 26 by 1.95 inch size that fits most mountain bikes and an impressive 60 TPI construction for added durability. The directional tread pattern ensures excellent grip on both packed dirt and smooth streets, making these tires a reliable choice for mixed terrain. The build quality is notable, featuring high-quality butyl rubber and nylon cord technology for enhanced puncture and wear resistance. Hapleby claims these tires can handle up to 3,000 miles of daily use, which is impressive for their weight and foldable design. Installation is straightforward, with rotation arrows and steel bead sidewalls helping you achieve the perfect fit. On the downside, these tires are best for moderate riders rather than extreme trail enthusiasts, due to their directional tread being less aggressive than some competitors. However, their longevity and ease of installation make them a fantastic choice for riders who want a dependable set of tires that can handle a variety of riding conditions without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Hycline 2-pack mountain bike tire set. This comprehensive kit includes not only 2 high-quality tires, but also 2 durable inner tubes and tire levers for easy maintenance. The tires measure 26 by 1.95 inches and feature an open and aggressive tread design that excels at clearing mud and penetrating soil, making them perfect for off-road adventures. The Hycline tires are constructed with high-quality rubber and nylon cord technology, providing excellent puncture resistance and durability. With a PSI range of 30 to 80, they allow for some flexibility depending on your riding style and terrain. The kit's standout feature is its all-in-one approach. It's perfect for riders who want a complete solution for tire replacements. While the included accessories are a big plus, the tires themselves are slightly heavier than some other options on this list. Additionally, their 30 TPI construction is less dense than higher-end tires, meaning they're better suited for casual or intermediate riders. Overall, this set is perfect for those looking for a convenient, budget-friendly option for off-road biking. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Continental Race King mountain bike tire. Known for its high-performance pure grip compound and 3-layer shield wall casing, this tire is built for long-lasting durability and exceptional grip. With its tubeless-ready design and lightweight folding construction, the Race King is perfect for enduro riders and mountain bikes with over 140 millimeters of suspension travel. The tire's build quality is top-notch, featuring a voluminous casing for added protection and smooth riding on rough terrain. The knobby tread pattern ensures excellent traction on trails while maintaining low rolling resistance, making it a fantastic option for both speed and control. Its tubeless capability also reduces the risk of punctures and allows you to run lower tire pressures for better grip. The downside is that the Continental Race King is priced higher than most options on this list, ranging from $39.99 to over $50 depending on the size. However, for riders who demand premium performance and a reliable tire for enduro and all mountain biking, it's worth the investment. This tire is a clear choice for advanced riders who prioritize durability and speed. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Schwinn replacement bike tire. This 26 by 1.95-inch all-terrain tire offers excellent performance at an unbeatable price of $26.99. Designed with wide, blocky knobs for enhanced traction, this tire is perfect for navigating loose or rocky terrain. It also features a puncture guard layer for added flat protection, making it ideal for adventurous riders. The Schwinn tire is constructed with a durable steel bead and offers a PSI range of 40 to 65, giving you the flexibility to adjust for comfort or performance. Its design is user-friendly, making installation quick and easy. Whether you're commuting or hitting the trails, this tire delivers reliable performance without compromising on quality. While it might lack the advanced features of higher-priced options, the Schwinn replacement tire excels in delivering a balanced combination of durability, grip, and affordability. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders who want a dependable tire that can handle a variety of terrains. For its price and versatility, this tire is hard to beat, which is why it earns the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best mountain bike tire for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy riding.